Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of this Sibodiv USB charging station with 8 ports and 60 watts, 12 amps in total. It's available in 2 different colors, white and black, and here we have some description. You can see in total maximum 12 amps. We have 7 times 2.4 amps and 1 time USB-C with 3 amps, so very powerful. So let's open the box and see what we get. Yeah, very beautiful device. Comes also with this power cable. The good thing is you can use it worldwide with an adapter here. It works for 110 to 240 volts, so you can take it with you on a vacation, and then you have a lot of power for everything, for your phone, for your tablets, for your cameras. You can recharge your power banks. Say it's not only beautiful and powerful, it's also very nicely solid built. So this would definitely work perfectly for travel. So we plug it in and then we get the nicely background illuminated LCD display where we see everything, all the different outputs individually. It's even more beautiful than what you see on my camera. It's absolutely not flickering, no nothing. It's a solid blue light. It's just a problem with my camera here that the display is a little bit flickering, so you absolutely don't have to be worried. By the way, regarding the display, after some time when nothing is going on, when you don't plug something in or plug something out, after some time it will turn off. That's very helpful, especially during the night. And this is how it looks when there is no change in usage. So even without the background illumination during the day, it's very easy to read it, and during the night it's absolutely dark, which is perfect for a deep, nice sleep. So I've brought here a couple of devices so you can see how easy this is to use. Let's start first with the phone, and you can see it automatically starts charging immediately, and then we can add some other devices. Let's say this power bank, you can see also this one is charging, and then we are adding even the GoPro, and we could add even many more. You can see all of them are charging now at the same time, and it gives you also the information how fast they are charging. This is very helpful. And as you can see on the port number 1, the phone is charging with 2.3 amps, very fast. So we can definitely call it fast charge, but there is no official quick charge compatibility or PD, as you can see here. We can see that it's compatible, of course, with Apple and Samsung and all these other devices, absolutely no problem. Normal USB standard, just no official quick charge 2.0, 3.0 or PD. And same thing, of course, also with the USB-C here on the right side. And here on this USB-C port, I can show you that it's definitely very powerful. So I start here with 0.5 amps and we start to increase. Now we are at 2 amps, which is already very strong charge. Now we are at 3 amps, which is supposed to be the maximum, but we can increase this even more. I mean, what's important here that we are at the 3 amps still on a very high voltage, which is very good to charge, but we can increase this even more. We can even go to 4 amps, we can go to 5 amps. Yeah, that's probably the maximum as it looks, but there is absolutely no problem. Nothing will happen here. You are still in a very safe zone because there's a lot of safety built in, like over voltage, over current, overheating, everything. So it's very safe to use. You can see even when you force it into very high current. Also something which is very important when it comes to quality of charging, that's the ripple oscillation, and we can see that's in a very good level. So as a rule of thumb, around 100 millivolts ripple would be acceptable, but we see that most of the time it's just around maybe 10, maximum 15, way below the maximum threshold for this value. So this confirms that they are using really good quality components here inside. The readings on the display are of course not comparable to a scientific instrument or so, but that's of course not the intention, but it can still help you a lot to give you some indication how much current, how much power you're pulling out. I would say it's a very good, very solid built device, very convenient, a lot of charging power for the whole family, so I can give you full recommendation, and I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order drive from there if you like it. So I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.